Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how to make a simple yet effective clamp that you can use for all your DIY projects. Let's get started.
First things first, I'm going to cut the fully threaded rod to the desired length for my clamp. Make sure to wear safety goggles while cutting. The length will depend on how big you want your clamp to be, so feel free to adjust it based on your needs. Now that we have our rod cut, let's prepare the other materials. I'll be using some sturdy metal or wood pieces for the clamp itself, along with one nut and two jaws. I chose wasted hammerheads. These will help secure everything in place. Next, I'm going to weld the pieces together. This step is crucial for ensuring that our clamp is strong and durable. I'll carefully weld the rod to the base and the movable jaw. Remember to take your time and ensure the welds are solid. Here, I welded two little rods to the sides of a nut to make a handle for forcing jaw. Here I made the movable jaw by attaching a 5 cm square tube to the jaw. Once everything is welded together, it's time to assemble the clamp. I'll attach the nuts and washers to the threaded rod, securing the movable jaw in place. This will allow us to adjust the clamp easily. To prevent the clamp from rotating and to make it work even better, I'm going to create a rail for the movable jaw. This will help keep everything aligned and make the clamp more efficient. I'll measure and cut the rail, then attach it securely to the base. All right, now it's time to test our clamp. I'm going to tighten it and see how well it holds. Look at that. It's working perfectly and holding everything in place just as we wanted. And there you have it, a simple yet effective clamp made from a fully threaded rod. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're inspired to create your own. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other projects you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.